Let's learn the names of some amazing birds. Are you ready? Let's go! This is a sparrow. Sparrows are tiny brown birds that love to hop around the yard. You can often see them near houses and trees. This is a crow. Crows are shiny black birds known for their clever minds. They can solve problems and use tools to find food. This is a pigeon. Pigeons are gentle birds with soft gray feathers. You can often see them in cities, parks, and near buildings. This is a parrot. Parrots are colorful birds with bright feathers and curved beaks. They are very smart and can learn to copy human speech. This is a peacock. Peacocks are large, colorful birds with beautiful long tail feathers. They spread their tails like a fan to attract a mate. This is an eagle. Eagles are large and powerful birds with strong wings and sharp eyes. They can fly very high and hunt for fish or small animals. This is an owl. Owls are quiet birds with big eyes and soft feathers. They sleep during the day and hunt for food at night. This is a hummingbird. Hummingbirds are very small birds with bright, colorful feathers. They can flap their wings very fast and drink nectar from flowers. This is a goose. Geese are large water birds with long necks and strong wings. They can swim in water and fly long distances in groups. This is a duck. Ducks are water birds with webbed feet and flat bills. They like to swim in ponds, lakes, and rivers and often quack loudly. This is a flamingo. Flamingos are tall birds with long legs and bright pink feathers. They often stand on one leg and feed in shallow water. This is a swan. Swans are large, graceful birds with long necks and white feathers. They swim in lakes and rivers and are known for their beauty and elegance. This is a woodpecker. Woodpeckers are birds with strong beaks that they use to peck on tree trunks. They look for insects under the bark and make loud drumming sounds. This is a robin. Robins are small birds with orange-red breasts and brown feathers. They like to sing in gardens and look for worms and insects on the ground. This is a kingfisher. Kingfishers are small, colorful birds with bright blue and orange feathers. They live near rivers and lakes and catch fish with their sharp beaks. This is an ostrich. Ostriches are the largest birds in the world. They cannot fly, but they can run very fast on land and have long, strong legs. This is a macaw. Macaws are large, colorful parrots with bright feathers. They are very smart and can make loud squawking sounds. This is a dove. Doves are gentle birds with soft feathers, usually white or gray. They are known as symbols of peace and love. This is a vulture. Vultures are large birds with strong beaks and bald heads. They feed on dead animals and help keep nature clean. This is a hawk. Hawks are birds of prey with sharp eyes and strong talons. They can fly fast and hunt small animals like mice, birds, and insects. This is a toucan. Toucans are tropical birds with large, colorful beaks. They live in rainforests and eat fruits, insects, and small animals. This is a seagull. Seagulls are medium-sized birds with white and gray feathers. They live near the sea and often search for food along beaches and piers. This is a cuckoo. Cuckoos are medium-sized birds known for their sweet cuckoo call. They often lay their eggs in other birds' nests. This is a turkey. Turkeys are large birds with dark feathers and long legs. They can run fast and make a special gobble sound. This is a rooster. Roosters are male chickens with bright feathers and a red comb on their heads. They are known for crowing loudly in the early morning. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and learning videos.